Hello, this is Sherry with ATL Clinical Workshop. I saw a question posted, I don't know where it was, somewhere on Facebook, and somebody asked, should they do tactile stimuli with all patients when they're assigned a neurological assessment? Now, in all honesty, that's the wrong question to ask. The question should have said, do I assess stimuli with all patients with a neurological assessment? And the answer is yes. And I know some of you are probably watching this freaking out going, oh no, I didn't think we had to do stimuli. So let's go back and look at this. There are three types of stimuli with the neurological assessment. One being verbal stimuli, the second one being tactile stimuli, and the third one being noxious stimuli. So see, when that student asked that question, if you should be doing tactile on everybody, the answer is no. You can do verbal stimuli. That could be, if you're talking to your patient and they're answering you back, you don't need to tap them to wake them up. You don't need to squeeze their nail bed to try to elicit pain because they're not unconscious. So there's three types of stimuli. So when you're doing your neurological assessment, make sure that you understand how to do each of those stimuli, because it's going to depend on the type of patient that you get. So yes, stimuli is required on all patients, but not necessarily tactile stimuli. I hope this has helped you. For more information, check out our website, www.atlclinicalworkshop.com.